Let's face it, gold and silver stackers. Wouldn't it be great to buy silver at spot price? Imagine the amount of metals you would have in your vault growing ever higher, all at the price of silver. No middleman, no numismatic premiums. The value of that silver or gold keeps increasing day after day, month after month, year after year. Now, if someone claims to know how to buy silver at spot price, A, they're either lying to you, or B, they're just sadly mistaken. Why can't you buy precious metals at their spot price, metal value? Why do you have to pay over spot for silver bars, rounds, or coins? You're not collecting those silver pieces for their rarity or artistic merit. After all, it's silver, right? You buy it, you store it, perhaps you sell it, and maybe you make a little bit of profit, and you move on. Everybody wants a deal, of course. Silver stackers don't necessarily buy silver at spot price to save $1 or two on an American Silver Eagle. Many people are prospectors at heart, hunters at heart. They want to obtain precious metals at its spot value without paying a premium. It's more about a mindset than greed, a particular type of out-of-the-box perspective. This philosophy may be well related to the fact that many silver stackers also identify themselves as, survivalists. They are prepared for this ever-changing world that throws at them. However, the reality is that the price of gold or silver bullion products include overhead cost, manufacturing cost, and labor cost. Why should you pay more for silver than what the bullion ticker indicates? Well, in the end, it comes down to the cost of doing business. Bullion dealers and bullion brokers are not financially capable of both buying and selling bullion at spot prices. Profits are needed for businesses to survive. And, that would just be unsustainable business model. Additionally, they need to pay for rent, a mortgage, electric, gas, marketing, payroll, and insurance, and of course, make a profit to, survive. And a popular phrase in the world of numismatics says that there is no Santa Claus in numismatics. Of course, this means you won't get a bunch of free deals when you buy and sell coins. It is everyone's goal to earn their share. That's why silver stackers do what they do. It's worth noting, however, that you can find occasionally deals when purchasing silver or gold bullion. And here is what I do. I simply go on bullion websites and search for their sales or discounts on their website. And me personally, my favorite two bullion dealerships for online, I would say, would have to be SD Bullion and JM Bullion. Great customer service, and I've never have ever had one issue with those two companies. And this allows me to stack and accumulate more precious metals. And personally, I have a great relationship with my LCS, local coin shop, and once in a while they will usually throw me a bone, giving me a good deal, especially if I am buying in bulk. Now, I can't say that for every coin shop. Needless to say, though, establishing a strong relationship with your local coin shop is definitely a must. It is important to keep in mind that legitimate bullion dealers are typically operating on very thin profit margins. The result is that they have very little room for offering attractive discounts. So what's a reasonable price for silver? So, is there a reasonable premium over spot for silver? Well, answers to these questions depend on what exactly you're buying. Now, silver bars have the lowest premium, followed by silver rounds. The premiums on silver coins are generally the highest. Quantity is also important. Bulk orders usually have lower premiums. The term bulk usually refers to something bigger than 10 ounces or units, typically closer to 100 ounces or units. Now, silver bars usually trade at a premium of 5 to 8% above spot, whereas silver coins usually trade at a premium of 12 to 20%. The premium point for silver rounds lies between those 2 points. Depending on the mint that produced the round and its popularity in the market, prices can vary. And it is also true that you get, what you pay for. In general, the more popular bars, rounds, and coins are also more widely recognized and in demand. Therefore, when you are ready to sell your silver bullion, they are likely to fetch you a higher price because they are generally more liquid. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.